Hi, my name is Valentina, also known as BilintinaMakeUp. Today I'm here at the Too Faced headquarters to show you how to use the new Razzle Dazzle Berry palette from the Tutti Frutti collection. The colors are beautiful and also very pigmented. Not only that, but it smells amazing. I'm gonna start applying shadow insurance on my eyelid. Now I'm going to use the Razzle Dazzle Berry in the shade Pink Suede. Next, I'm going to use Berry Treasure right above the crease. Now I'm going to use Boys and Berries on my lid. Now I'm going to apply a touch of That's My Jam in the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to apply Bad to the Berry exactly where I applied That's My Jam. Time to apply Razzle on my lid. Now I'm applying Dazzle under my brow bone and in the inner corner of my eye. Time for the lower lash line. I'm using Boys and Berry now with a pointed brush. So I'm applying Razzle in the inner corner of my eye and Bad to the Berry in the outer corner. Now I'm applying eyeliner and I'm using the sketch marker in black. And now I'm using Better Than Sex. Time to use the Tutti Frutti lip gloss in Dreamsicle. I hope you will like this palette as much as I do. I'll see you next time. Ciao!